Department of Skills, Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship SLEE na Ministry of Labor and Employment gi MAKHA da LEIBA Employee State Insurance Scheme ESIS ki Masika KHUTSHAMNANA SHINDUNA ESIS ki Matang Da Nongmagi Oiba awareness program ama Pangthokhre Takil da LEIBA Government Industrial Training Institute ki Surveyor Hall da ngasi Pangthokhiba awareness program aduda SLEE gi Joint Secretary Hana Kamai Deputy Labor Commissioner Tanusri Naurem Amadi ESIC SRO Gurugram gi Deputy Director Sunny Khuswana Thauram gi Maru Oiba Mitunglen Sing oina saruk yakhi Punna miyoy chamarom na saruk yaduna ngasi Pangthokhiba awareness program aduga mari lainana ESIC SRO Gurugram gi Deputy Director Sunny Khuswana hai Ministry of Labor and Employment gi MAKHA da haudokliba Employee State Insurance Scheme ESIS asi sinmi sing da kanaba kaya pinaba paikhalakpani scheme asi Manipur gumba sinmi na namna leiba lamdam amada yamna maru ai scheme ama oiri adubo scheme asigi matangda sinmi singda mapung phana khanghanba ngamdana leiriba asigi matangda hena khanghanana bagi pandamda ngasigi awareness program asi pangthokpani ngasigi program asda ESIS ki kanaba sing adu Canada amadi kamdauna ESIS ki registration tawgani haibana singba wafam sing sinmi singda khangangani haina mahakna makhatana phongdokhe.
Yes. We are having a seminar program for ESIC awareness in Manipur. This has been organized by state government. In this, we are going to explain about the ESIC benefits for the workers, how the registration process is going on. The awareness of ESIC is very much important in Manipur. It will uphold the health. Health will be much better health infrastructure and social security for workers. As on date, the strength is not that much, but we are working very hard to boost that up, and this has been specially organized by a headquarter, and I am the coordinating officer for Manipur. And for Manipur, we are coordinating with the state government to come up with the good health infrastructure and to provide the best benefits to the workers. The same has been organized, and we are taking up the measures to fulfill all the needs of the workers related to ESIC, and also will be clearing all the doubts in this session.